Which halogen headlight bulbs are actually better? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. Most look identical, promise the same brightness, and cost wildly different prices. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver real visibility and which ones just look good on paper. Product number 1, SYLVANIA H11 Extra Vision. Let's start with the SYLVANIA H11 Extra Vision. This is a solid mid-range option from a brand that's been in the game for over a century. At around $41 for a pair, it's not the cheapest, but it's far from premium pricing. If you want reliable, OEM-level performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These bulbs put out a crisp 6000K white light, which is noticeably whiter than standard halogens. That means better contrast on dark roads, especially in fog or rain. The real win is the more downroad visibility claim. SYLVANIA uses a reinforced filament and special gas mix to push light farther forward without blinding oncoming drivers. Over 9,000 people bought these last month, and while there are no reviews yet, SYLVANIA's track record with OEMs like Ford and GM gives them serious credibility. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of real-world reviews right now. Here's the thing though, this is a direct replacement bulb with no frills. It's not trying to be brighter than your car's wiring can handle. It's built to last and perform consistently, which is exactly what daily drivers need. This is perfect for you if you drive an older vehicle and want factory-grade reliability with a slight visibility upgrade. Skip this one if you're chasing extreme brightness or want a dramatic color shift. For the price, it's a dependable, no-nonsense choice. Product number 2, SYLVANIA 9005 Extra Vision. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for high-beam users, the SYLVANIA 9005 Extra Vision. Priced at just $23, it's one of the most affordable high-performance halogens out there. If you want strong high-beam output without upgrading your entire lighting system, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 65-watt bulb runs hotter and brighter than standard 55W halogens, giving you extra punch when you flip to high beams. The 6000K color temperature keeps things clean and white, not blue or yellow. And like the H11, it uses SYLVANIA's proprietary gas blend and filament design to maximize light projection down the road, without the glare that can irritate other drivers. Now, some people complained about fitment issues on certain models. Here's the thing though, this is a 9005 bulb which isn't universal. Always double-check your owner's manual or use Amazon's fitment tool. It won't work in every car, but if it fits, it performs. This is perfect for you if your high beams feel weak and you want a noticeable boost. Skip this one if your car uses a different bulb type or you're looking for fog light use. This isn't optimized for that. For under $25, it's a high-value upgrade. Product number 3, Thermitor H11 9005 Combo. Now, if the previous bulbs felt too basic, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Thermitor H11 9005 Combo. At $90, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the only one that's not a true halogen. It uses HID-style tech in a halogen-sized package. If you want maximum brightness and don't mind spending more, this is the performance king. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It claims 120,000 lumens per set. Yes, that's 800% brighter than stock. That's not just marketing. The 12-chip LED array and 6500K white light flood the road with intense, daylight-like illumination. The built-in 22,000 RPM fan and copper heat sink keep it cool, promising up to 60,000 hours of life. Now, some people complained about CAN-bus errors or flickering. Here's the thing though, this is pushing more power than standard halogens. If your car has sensitive electronics, you might need a resistor kit. It's not plug-and-play for every vehicle. This is perfect for you if you drive mostly at night or on unlit roads and want serious visibility. Skip this one if you want a simple, no-fuss replacement or have a newer car with strict lighting controls. It's pricey, but for off-road or rural driving, it's unmatched. Product number 4, SYLVANIA 9006 Extra Vision. Alright, that was a high-tech beast. But let's get back to basics with the SYLVANIA 9006 Extra Vision. At just $22, it's one of the most budget-friendly options here. If you've got an older truck or sedan that uses 9006 bulbs and you just want a reliable replacement, this is a no-brainer. The enhanced downroad visibility means better illumination at 50-70 feet, which is where most low-beam driving happens. SYLVANIA's durable filament design helps it last longer than generic bulbs, and the anti-glare coating keeps things legal and neighbor-friendly. With 3,000 plus sold recently, it's a quiet favorite for practical drivers. Now, some people expected brighter output for the Extra Vision name. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-output bulb. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable, affordable replacement for daily driving. Skip this one if you want high beam use or a wider light. It's more yellow than the others. For the price, it's a solid, honest bulb. Product number 5, SYLVANIA H11 Silver Star Ultra. Now, if you want the absolute brightest halogen SYLVANIA makes, this next one is their flagship, the H11 Silver Star Ultra. At $63, it's the most expensive true halogen here. If you want the widest, brightest light without switching to LED or HID, this is the top-tier choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses SYLVANIA's tri-band technology to produce the whitest light in their lineup, closer to 4000K than the 6000K of the Extra Vision. That means better color rendering and less eye strain on long drives. It's also engineered for maximum downroad brightness, giving you a noticeable edge in dark conditions. As SYLVANIA's premium line, it's built for drivers who refuse to compromise. Here's the thing though, you're trading longevity for performance. If you drive a lot at night, the extra visibility is worth the earlier replacement. This is perfect for you if you want the best halogen experience money can buy. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only drive during the day. It's expensive, but for night visibility, it's the king of halogens. So which one should you pick? If you want OEM reliability, go with the H11 or 9005 Extra Vision. Need max brightness and don't mind the cost? The Terminator combo delivers insane output. On a budget, the 9006 Extra Vision gets the job done. And if you want the brightest, whitest halogen available, the Silver Star Ultra is your best bet. Each has its place, just match it to your driving needs and budget.